What's going on, everybody? Shane here, and I think I've got something pretty cool to show you tonight. So this little leak comes courtesy of Evan Blass at EV Leaks on Twitter himself. Dude's been a big player in the leaks and so forth for phones for many years, and he's doing the Lord's work out here for this one. So I'm sure you all saw a little bit ago when Samsung toted out their foldable phone concept, and you couldn't see much of it, and whatever. It's interesting. It's a foldable phone. That's pretty cool. The screen actually folds, so that's interesting. Well, we've also heard lots of rumors that they're not the only ones developing something like this. Of course, there's some other smaller companies, but we're waiting for some big, heavy hitters, and this might be the first indication of one. So I'm going to show you over here on, as I said, Evan Blast tweeted this. This is a video that was tweeted earlier today, and it appears to show a phone that appears, now if we can hold the suspense for a moment, this looks like a Xiaomi phone. The icons look like Xiaomi icons, the colors, this looks like Xiaomi, and that's what the rumor is that this is a Xiaomi phone. So he pulls up Google Maps here. Clearly this is Chinese. Again, Xiaomi, interesting. And then he folds it in. Folds it over both sides. And boy, that is impressive. At that point, you basically have from the front that infinity display that Samsung loves, but it really does wrap all the way around. That is really impressive. So what I did from there, because I mean obviously in the beginning you can't really make out much, but I thought, I wonder if I could, maybe boost some of this brightness and maybe get a better look at some of this stuff. So basically what I did is I went on Google Photos and I boosted the brightness through the roof to try and get from this to this, so you could kind of get a general idea of what this thing looks like. If you roll forward here, because my question was, how big are these bezels? And on the bottom they look like there's not really one. I mean, maybe a little bit here, but not really much on the bottom at all. And then, if you go back to the beginning here, where his hand is, that bezel looks real small, a lot smaller than what Samsung's looks like, which is really impressive. Then if you roll forward even further, again, that bezel don't look real big. So this is really interesting. This is really interesting. We've heard rumors that Google's been working with someone to make a non-pixel device. We've heard rumors that Xiaomi's making a foldable phone. Are these things related? Is this the Xiaomi phone? I think it looks like it probably is. Let me know what you guys think about this in the comments below. Are you excited about this? Do you think this looks better than Samsung's implementation that we've seen also in the dark? Let me know what you think. And until next time, stay nerdy, my friends.